Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this portable air pump. Amazon find as usual. This is from a company called Eaton Wolf. Hope I pronounced that right. And this is their Air 3. So a little context behind this is that I need a pump for travel, as we've got a toddler and need something small, compact, and doesn't weigh a lot, and hopefully reliable. So let's jump into the unboxing. So according to this, it comes with the unit itself, USB-C charging cable. USB-C is always a great thing to have. The nozzles and a user manual. So we've got the user manual, the unit itself, just really small. Can fit in a carry-on, in your checked luggage. Hopefully it does the job. Put this over here. Here are the different types of nozzles. USB charging. I'm gonna guess it doesn't come with a power brick. No company ships power bricks anymore, but just glad it's USB-C. And oh, this is nice. Also comes with the carrying case to put everything in. So overall specs on this is, I believe it's 2800 milliamp hours. Double check. And don't worry, links for this will be in the description below. Flipping through the manual real quick. It also comes with a light. So, not sure if you can see this. There's a light right here, because if you press that, power on. No. No. May actually need to be charged first. Nope, got to hold power. There's your light. It's not bad. Not necessarily going to be using it for that, but it's good to know that it has. You can also hang it. And if I had to guess, you cycle. Yep. Different settings. It does get really bright. SOS mode, and toggle again to turn it off. Power button turns it on. That was really loud, sorry for that. And I guess if we hold it, alright, there you have it. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to inflating these bumpers that I also got off of Amazon to see if it can inflate it, how long does it take, and if I can do it off of just one charge. Be right back. So the item we're going to use to test is this inflatable bed rail. It's a 2-pack, also from Amazon, if you're interested in it. I'll link it in the description as well. Also needed something that could fold flat and easy to pack, easy to travel with. And I'll do a quick unboxing of this. Shouldn't be much to it. product safety registration. It's been a while since I've seen a card that you can actually mail back. Very compact. Zoom out a little so you can see it. Doesn't appear that this one has a carrying case for it, but that's fine. Okay, there you got it. There you have it. Now let's move on to the test. So a quick little note. This is the adapter that's going to use to blow up the railing. And all you have to do is put it this side's the light. This is the top where the handle was. Put this in, like so, and twist. Locks it in place. Really simple design. So I guess I was wrong. Actually, you don't put it into the top. I'm guessing that's for the deflator. The inflator is actually on the side with the light. Ask me how I know. Twist this way. So it's actually on this side inflates. This side deflates. Moment of truth. Here. Just press the button. Hold down to turn it on. It does time out. The light comes on. Press. Just like that. Sorry for it being loud. In a couple seconds, it works. So should get a couple uses out of this. Didn't really look like it took that much battery. And that's it for now. Until the next one. Remember, links are in the description below. Bye.